Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Vodafone Smart Platinum 7 to other Android smartphone, at the first you have to go for the Play Store on the both devices and get application to transfer data. In this video we are going to use application name Send Anywhere, so you have to get it on the both smartphones. Right now we are moved to the second device, and here we can also get this Send Anywhere app. So let's install. Let's open this application on this left smartphone, then accept this stuff, click continue and accept the permissions. Okay, and right now we are waiting on the second device. And we can also open on our Vodafone. So click here, tap here, and then move to the confirm, tap continue, click allow. And as you can see, here we can send the photos, video, audio, apps, contacts, files. And of course, to contacts, we have to click here to grant the permission. So it's only example, and I will show you only one thing. So I'm going to send this picture to this smartphone. If you want to get other things, you have to move here and then just select. Then we have to click send, and on our second device we have to move for the receive. Then we have to input this key right here. So let's do it. Click receive, but I forgot about 6. I forgot about 9. Okay, click receive. Okay, and as you can see, the transfer is complete. So it's very easy and very fast. I hope that helped you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.